Welcome back to the channel. Today we're turning our attention to a flagship that has defined Japanese luxury for over 3 decades, the 2026 Lexus LS. In a world where high-end sedans are increasingly rare, Lexus continues to refine and evolve its crown jewel, delivering a car that fuses comfort, technology, elegance, and performance into one sophisticated package. The LS is more than a luxury sedan. It's a rolling statement of craftsmanship, innovation, and quiet confidence. The 2026 model doesn't attempt to reinvent the wheel, but rather elevates every detail with subtle, purposeful changes. Up front, the unmistakable Lexus spindle grille returns, though it's now cleaner and more cohesive, flanked by slimmer, sharper LED headlamps that use the latest blade scan adaptive technology. The hood is long and sculpted with precise character, lines that flow into the fenders, giving the car a strong and graceful presence. It's a design that doesn't shout, but draws you in with detail and proportion. Every surface looks wind-carved and engineered for elegance. As you walk around the side, the LS retains its low, sweeping silhouette. The roofline glides into the rear deck with a coupe-like elegance, and the doors are flush with discreet chrome accents that outline the windows. Lexus offers new multi-spoke wheel designs for 2026, ranging up to 21 inches, with finishes that complement the deep, multi-layered paint colors, some of which are developed using Takumi-crafted techniques that reflect light with incredible depth. The rear of the LS continues the theme of restraint and precision, with new LED taillights that have a more unified design and a revised lower fascia that gives the car a grounded, planted feel. Opening the door, you're greeted by an interior that's all about craftsmanship. It's quiet, serene, and incredibly refined. Every material is selected with obsessive attention to detail. Semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, aluminum trim, and hand-pleated door inserts. The seats are sculpted for comfort on long journeys and feature up to 28-way adjustment, with heating, cooling, and massage for both front and rear occupants depending on the trim. In the executive package, the rear seat transforms into a first-class lounge with a recline function, an ottoman, and full climate and entertainment controls. At the center of the dash is a 14-inch high-definition touchscreen that now sits slightly closer to the driver for easier access. The infotainment system runs Lexus' latest software platform with a natural voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and seamless over-the-air updates. The driver's display is fully digital, reconfigurable and sharp, offering multiple views for navigation, driving modes, and safety information. The Mark Levinson 3D surround sound system, with up to 23 speakers, transforms the cabin into a private concert hall. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LS 500 retains its refined 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing 416 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission to the rear wheels, or optionally to all 4 with Lexus's all-wheel drive system. Acceleration remains brisk, with a 0 to 60 time in the low 5-second range. But the LS isn't about brute force, it's about quiet, effortless performance. The engine is muted, the ride is buttery smooth, and the steering is precise without being overly sporty. It's a car that prioritizes grace over aggression. For those seeking even more efficiency, the LS 500h hybrid model continues to offer a combination of a naturally aspirated V6 and electric motor, delivering a total system output around 354 horsepower. It's more about refined cruising than sporty dynamics, and it shines in city driving with smooth, regenerative braking and nearly silent operation at low speeds. Ride comfort is further enhanced by adaptive variable suspension and optional air suspension, which constantly adjusts damping to road conditions, delivering the perfect balance between isolation and control. The cabin remains whisper quiet, thanks to laminated glass, sound-deadening insulation, and active noise control. Safety and driver assistance features are among the most advanced Lexus has ever offered. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard, including adaptive cruise control with curb speed management, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist detection, intersection assist, traffic sign recognition, and even emergency steering assist. An optional advanced drive package allows limited hands-free highway driving under certain conditions, using high-definition maps and a suite of sensors to manage speed, lane changes, and following distances. Pricing for the 2026 Lexus LS starts around $80,000 and can rise past $120,000 for fully loaded hybrid executive models. It competes with some of the world's finest luxury sedans, including the BMW 7 Series, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and Audi A8. While those rivals often lean into aggressive styling or high-performance variants, the LS stands apart by embracing a different philosophy: quiet luxury, precise craftsmanship, and Japanese hospitality distilled into a car. The 2026 Lexus LS isn't chasing trends. It's not trying to be the flashiest or fastest. It's designed for those who value serenity, reliability, and genuine refinement. It's a car that rewards the thoughtful driver, one who appreciates the art in every stitch, the silence between gears, and the way a seat can make you feel weightless. In a world of over-designed complexity, the LS remains a masterclass in elegant simplicity. Thanks for watching. If this deep dive into the 2026 Lexus LS inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments if you think this flagship still holds its own against the big European names. Until next time, drive with purpose and peace.